Once the entire business process is set, let's create wonders relating to the assistance you provide over the website. We have an awesome feature of Messenger that can help you connect with your website and app visitors and nurture them well. It is an add-on to engage your customers and create a room to share ideas and solutions for your customers. You can explore Chat Messenger from here and get it activated. Fill in the following information to get the basic setup done. Now navigate to the chat settings. Type in a greeting message, which will remain visible to your website visitors when they initiate the conversation. Then comes the team intro to introduce your team and let your customers know how they can be of great help. And the last one is to set up workspace name. Now navigate to the Appearance section and upload your company logo. Choose your choice of background and action color, background pattern, and the launcher icon. In case you want a custom launcher icon, simply upload it from here and set its position. You can keep this toggle button on if you want to display the Salesmate's link just below the chat window. Once done, click on Update and move on to setting your availability and set your common business hours and expected response time. Update it and move to Conversations. Here, toggle on to the Include Bot Messages if you wish to show the chatbot journey messages in the inbox. Then decide who can start the new conversation or simply reply to a closed one. It can either be visitor or customer. Set the respective conditions and move on Require Detail section and get the basic information by collecting name and email from new conversations during outside office hours, always or probably never from your website visitors. Once it is set, you can then set the conversation rating criteria for visitors and contacts. From the Miss section, you can set the sound for Messenger. Don't forget to update the settings you've made. That's it. Your Messenger is all set to run. You can then navigate to the My Preference section and choose your favorite wallpaper. Within the preferences, you can set the assignment preferences too. Further, you can save up your time by drafting the canned responses and use them on quick basis while communicating with your customers. In the Security section, you can enable or disable the attachment options and set the trusted domain where you want to load the messenger. Once the entire setup is done, navigate to the Installation section and copy the code to embed it on your website. You can then copy the email address below and set up a forwarding rule inside your email account to auto-create conversations for each new email received. However, ignoring certain domains' email is also possible from here.